The energy transition requires our active support, and we need to develop new strategies to deal with it. The Niederstetten area has seen substantial growth in renewables in the past, and this trend is continuing. It has both large wind farms and also many small solar power units. Customers expect us to be able to connect new generation systems very quickly and maintain a high level of security of supply at the same time. For us as grid operators, that means we always have to make sure that the grid is able to cope with the infeed. That's why we have now considered more innovative, clever and future-proof solutions to simply expanding the network with more and more copper. That's why we have opted for this solution with a distributed controller and also created the slogan "Intelligence replaces copper." The Niederstetten project is called Distributed Grid Intelligence because at the core of the project is a regional controller that's installed in the Niederstetten primary substation. It monitors the grid voltage, which the infeed of renewables in particular causes to rise substantially. We've incorporated 2 line voltage regulators in the project. They're managed by this controller and make it possible to adapt the voltage level to changes in the situation at all times.
Yes, the particular benefit of integrated technologies from Siemens is that expanding the electronics in the system can be done entirely in our factories. That means that all the electrical components are already pre-installed and wired here, so we can finally supply our customer with a fully pre-installed turnkey solution. We're talking about a truly huge construction, 3.62 meters wide and 6.02 meters long. And the weight of the expanded unit will be around 49 metric tons. These dimensions themselves are a challenge, since we have to be able to transport these huge weights by road and shift them on-site using cranes. These are challenges that we're happy to take on. After all, that's where our skills lie. That's what we stand for in concrete construction.
This is a genuine first for Europe. It's the first time that this line voltage regulator has been used. What's truly remarkable is that we are combining 2 applications for distribution automation in a single system. The result of this self-healing application is an increase in availability. So if a fault occurs, the grid will restore service itself by itself automatically. And we can also manage voltage quality with the same equipment. The main benefit for NetzeBW is that it can make better use of its existing infrastructure with fewer construction sites and no cables to be renewed. The grid is becoming dynamic and more agile. It's changing.
It's also very important for us to be able to respond flexibly, since the energy system is experiencing a state of radical change at the moment.
Yes, changes in the energy supply system are making agility and dynamics more and more important.
With Siemens, we're working with a top-notch company, and our project so far shows that we've chosen the right partner.